Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
All right, let's be honest. Choosing accounting software sometimes feels like picking a gym membership. You swear you'll use all the features, but deep down you just want something affordable that doesn't yell at you every month. So let's start with pricing, because that's where most decisions are actually made. ClearBooks structures its pricing based on business type and complexity, which immediately sets expectations. For sole traders, ClearBooks offers a genuinely free plan that covers the basics, including MTD, income tax quarterly updates, year-end tax return filing, income and expense tracking, automated bank feeds, invoice creation, and basic reports. If you're a self-employed individual with simple needs, this free tier can be enough to stay compliant without spending a penny. For sole traders who want more automation and support, ClearBooks offers a sole trader plan at £5 per month plus VAT, which adds receipt scanning from photos and PDFs, unlimited bank feeds with custom matching, invoice customization, quotes, business reporting including balance sheets, unlimited users, phone support, and accountant tools like journals and audit logs. For VAT-registered sole traders, there's a Sole Trader Plus VAT plan at £15 per month plus VAT, adding full MTD VAT reporting, flat rate VAT support, and domestic reverse charge handling. For limited companies and larger organizations, ClearBooks shifts to tiered pricing. There's a free MTD income tax plan for basic needs. Then paid tiers starting at £7.50 per month for small businesses during the introductory period, £15.50 per month for medium businesses, and £20.50 per month for larger organizations, with prices increasing after the initial discounted months. These tiers unlock VAT submissions, purchase orders, CIS reporting, budgeting, project accounting, multi-currency support, employee expense claims, and fixed asset tracking, making ClearBooks a scalable option as complexity grows. Now compare that with Xero UK, which uses a more traditional subscription model with 4 core plans. The Ignite plan is currently offered at £1.60 per month for the first 6 months, then increases to the standard rate. This entry plan supports invoicing, quotes, bank reconciliation, bill capture, and basic reporting, but limits bills and advanced features. The Grow plan sits at £3.70 per month for the first 6 months, adding unlimited bills, VAT submissions, and better reporting. The comprehensive plan is priced at £5 per month during the promotion and expands into multi-currency, expense claims, project tracking, and deeper analytics. At the top end, Xero's Ultimate plan comes in at £6.50 per month for the first 6 months, unlocking payroll for up to 10 people, advanced cash flow forecasting, multi-currency, and premium analytics tools. Payroll and certain payment features may still incur add-on costs depending on usage. Moving into features, ClearBooks focuses heavily on compliance, structure, and automation that accountants appreciate. It handles MTD income tax and VAT seamlessly, supports CIS subcontractors, automates bank matching, and keeps records audit ready. Reporting is solid and practical, covering profit and loss, balance sheets, customer and supplier overviews, and tax summaries. ClearBooks also includes strong accountant collaboration tools, making it easier for professionals to review, adjust, and file without messy exports. The pros of ClearBooks are clarity, compliance strength, and sensible pricing paths for UK businesses. It's especially strong for sole traders, landlords, and limited companies that want straightforward accounting without unnecessary complexity. The cons are that the interface can feel more functional than modern, and some advanced workflows and integrations are not as expansive as larger ecosystems. Now let's shift focus to Xero UK's features, because this is where Xero really shows why it's one of the most widely adopted accounting platforms in the UK. Xero is designed to be an all-in-one cloud accounting system that scales from freelancers all the way to growing companies with employees, inventory, and international transactions. At its core, Xero covers invoicing, quotes, bills, expense claims, bank reconciliation, reporting, and VAT submissions. But the real strength lies in how automated and interconnected everything feels. Xero's real-time bank feeds are one of its standout features. Transactions flow in automatically from connected bank accounts, and Xero's smart reconciliation tools help match, categorize, and explain transactions with minimal manual work. Bills and receipts can be captured digitally using HubDoc, allowing users to snap photos or upload documents that are then extracted and attached directly to transactions. This significantly reduces paperwork and manual entry, especially for businesses dealing with high transaction volumes. For UK businesses, Xero is fully compliant with making tax digital for VAT and supports direct VAT submissions to HMRC. It also includes CIS functionality for subcontractors, project tracking for job-based businesses, and multi-currency accounting on hire plans. Expense claims and mileage tracking are built in, making it easier for teams to submit costs without spreadsheets or emails. Cash flow forecasting tools provide short-term and longer-term visibility, helping businesses anticipate upcoming liabilities rather than reacting to them too late. Another major advantage of Xero is its reporting and dashboard flexibility. Users can view profit and loss, balance sheets, cash flow statements, aged receivables, and performance graphs in real time. On hire plans, dashboards become more customizable, allowing business owners and accountants to focus on the metrics that actually matter. Xero also supports payroll as an add-on, with tiered employee limits depending on the plan, which makes it possible to keep payroll and accounting under one roof. Where Xero really separates itself is its ecosystem. Xero integrates with hundreds of third-party apps covering payroll, inventory, CRM, forecasting, e-commerce, point of sale, and industry-specific tools. This makes Xero extremely flexible for businesses that don't want a rigid, one-size-fits-all setup. Accountants can access client data directly, make adjustments, file returns, and collaborate without exchanging files or backups. The pros of Xero UK are its automation depth, scalability, and massive integration ecosystem. It's highly polished, trusted by millions of businesses, and widely supported by accountants and bookkeepers. For growing companies, Xero offers room to expand without switching platforms every few years. The cons are pricing complexity over time, reliance on add-ons for certain features, and the fact that some smaller businesses may find it more powerful than they actually need. Costs can increase as you move up plans or add payroll and integrations, which may feel excessive for very small operations. In terms of user feedback, both platforms perform well on Trustpilot. ClearBooks generally receives strong ratings with 4.3 stars, with users praising affordability, HMRC compliance, and simplicity, while occasionally mentioning a more functional interface and fewer integrations. Xero also holds solid Trustpilot ratings at 4.1 stars, with users highlighting automation, reporting, and integrations, while noting pricing and add-on costs as common drawbacks. Ratings change over time and vary by region and review volume, so it's always smart to check the latest Trustpilot listings before deciding. The final takeaway is clear. If you want a cost-effective, UK-focused accounting solution that prioritizes compliance, clarity, and simplicity, ClearBooks is an excellent choice, especially for sole traders, landlords, and smaller limited companies. If you want a powerful, scalable platform with deep automation, advanced reporting, and an enormous app ecosystem that grows with your business, Xero UK is the stronger long-term option. Click the link below to access the software, explore the plans, and try them for yourself so you can see which one actually fits how you work day to day. And if this comparison helped you save time or money, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next accounting software breakdown.